National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Morehouse Parish in northeastern Louisiana, northeastern Richland Parish in northeastern Louisiana, until 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:01 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Rayville, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Holly Ridge around 4:05 p.m. Central Standard Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time for northeastern Louisiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Morehouse and Richland. A